I tacked this side down with glue, and the elastic as well is connected by glue. This side is already assembled. It's this side that you're going to have to assemble, because when we ship it, we'll ship it flat. And so this is really easy. You just feed the elastic through just like it is on the other side. If it starts to unravel like it is here, it starts to come apart, get yourself a paper clip. Or if you have some super glue, you can just super glue that piece of elastic down. That's another way to do it. If you need to, you can adjust this. So pull it this way, and then pull this so that it gets tighter. These little tabs get bent out just a little bit so that they hook onto the face shield. Here's your shield. The square part is going to go up here, and it goes on the little tab there. So it's a little bit easier if you put it in sideways first and then twist it. And because it has these little, it's shaped so that it can't come off this way. It's going to hang from these guys, right? So it's going to hang like that. Now these are pressure fit, so they snap into place. But there. Did you hear that little click? Let me do it again. If I push it, that's what you want to hear. And then the second one, and then the last one. And that's why these little tabs are here, because it's going to have to come out a little bit further than it wants to. That's why it's double tabbed. Oh, did you hear that snap? That's what you want to hear. There you go. It's like a spring made of plastic. This goes on the inside, and it's going to make it curve around your face. So this, snap. This, snap. And it's not going to be the easiest thing in the world to push it through. Just make sure it snaps. There we go. There we go. This is what the finished shield looks like.